Hey there! Today we're tackling a common issue that many developers encounter when working with FastAPI. The problem we're facing is related to setting up a router for token creation in FastAPI and encountering a not found error when trying to access the token endpoint. Let's dive into the solution that will help us resolve this problem. The key issue lies in the way we're starting the FastAPI application with uvicorn. The command pre-class equals lang bash prettyprint override uvicorn peg token reload code trace pointing to the router instead of the main FastAPI application. To fix this, we need to ensure that uvicorn points to the actual FastAPI instance, which in our case is name code. Update the uvicorn command to pre-class equals lang bash prettyprint override uvicorn peg app reload code pre. This adjustment will set the correct entry point for the FastAPI application. By making this small change, uvicorn will now correctly launch the FastAPI application instead of try to run the router directly. This simple adjustment should now allow you to access the token endpoint successfully without encountering the not found error. And that's a wrap. By following this solution, you'll be able to set up your FastAPI application properly and access the token endpoint without any issues. Remember, always point uvicorn to the FastAPI instance, not just a router. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment below with your thoughts. See you next time.